And let's head over to Queen's Park now, where Premier Doug Ford revealed his government's plans in a throne speech, marking the start of a new legislative session. Phil Perkins is leading our coverage at Queen's Park this hour. Good evening, Phil.
Good evening, Taz. Well, a day after MPPs returned to Queen's Park, the Ford government's plan for the next 4 years was mapped out. The throne speech touched on everything from keeping kids in school and avoiding lockdowns to bolstering the economy as it faces the possibility of a recession. In today's throne speech, Lieutenant Governor of Ontario Elizabeth Dowdeswell listed the variety of challenges faced by Ontarians over the past couple years, from COVID-19 and its trickle-down effects on supply chains and inflation, both worsened with the war in Ukraine. Now, all eyes are on the health of the economy as a whole, with the province telling residents to prepare.
Ontario, like the rest of Canada and North America, must be prepared for the possibility of a near-term economic slowdown.
With commerce in mind, the Ford government said it won't be further diminishing business with future COVID lockdowns.
COVID-19 remains with us today. Ontario has the tools to manage the virus and live with current variants for the long term without returning to lockdowns.
Further, Dowdeswell read out the province's expectations that Health Canada will approve a new COVID vaccine in the fall that's specifically made to defend against the dominant subvariant of the virus. The province also, after weeks of downplaying the seriousness of the situation, changed its tone regarding Ontario's healthcare system that's struggling with staff shortages due to illness, resignations, and vacation.
There's no question it, like health systems across Canada, continues to experience significant pressures, including an exhausted workforce and increasingly stressed emergency departments.
While the speech didn't mention repealing the wage capping Bill 124, the CEO of the Ontario Nurses Association says they'll continue to fight to do just that.
They said more than once about inflation. They said more than once that the workforce is exhausted. Put it together. RNO will continue to push for this bill to be gone. The teachers are almost done. ONA comes next. And otherwise, we're toast. Otherwise, it's you, me, whoever that will need those emergency rooms or ERs will not have the care.
Well, the speech also rehashed previous election promises, including building more highways, that's the Bradford Bypass, Highway 413, and revitalizing auto manufacturing in the province with a focus on electric cars and mining for battery materials in Northern Ontario's Ring of Fire.